We decided to go to 7-Eleven or Family Mart. Same thing. Convenience stores, good food.
I didn't
alcohol,
know who I was till I put on the
candy.
mask.
He didn't know who he was until the mask. Where are we going?
This is not the path.
No, no, that path was over there. This way.
You really think there's a 7-Eleven there?
Yes. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I have no idea where I'm going. Did you bring your camera? Why don't you bring your camera? I don't know. I brought mine.
Doesn't count.
It's not a camera.
It's a GoPro.
It's a camera. They take pictures and videos.
You mean you have no idea where we're going?
What?
What?
Huh?
What?
I have no idea where we're going. Is it sprinkling? Might need to buy an umbrella. Oh my god, it's cold.
It's actually kind of refreshing.
I wish I had my clip so I could be like, boom. Looks like you're offline.
It's not my fault your phone can't see certain Wi-Fi numbers. It's on. We're so far off.
Face mask. My lips are getting numb.
Yeah.
What?
You ever think about moving to Minnesota? Nothing.
I thought about moving to Minnesota until I remembered that you guys went below.
Josh will take a ride.
But and you thought about moving to California?
Never thought about that.
Nice.
Not in Oregon.
I got a water drop in my eye. I'd move to Oregon. Want to move to Oregon? Back to Oregon.
Watch on the other side of the street. I'm sorry. See the sign?
Motherfucker. I don't see the. Oh. Now I see the sign.
Hope you know how to get back. My phone's almost dead.
Kind of? Yes. Yes.
We
Yes.
just follow this
Yes.
down the way back and take a right.
Yes. I know how to get back.
It's literally right here to the left. Worst case scenario, you can watch the video backwards.
Video back. Oh.
We can follow the video backwards.
That would suck.
Should be like right there. What are these things
I
are?
almost ran into that pole.
Looks like onions? Oh, yeah, it's right there.
Where? Oh.
None of the top of
Oh, wind. I know, it's cool.
You're like in the suburbs of Kyoto.
I kind of want to live in a place like this when I move to Japan.
Yeah.
When?
Yeah.
When? When?
Wendigo?
Wendigo. Are you a Wendigo?
I'm a Bendigo.
Are you a Bendigo?
Yeah.
That had to be trippy from your guys' point of view.
I'm bendy and I go.
It's not my. No, you were gonna get us arrested because you told us to cross the street when we didn't need to cross the street. Exactly. He knows trouble. What?
I
What?
have no idea how it goes. This is a 7 high.
You guys can't see it yet. I'll turn the camera back around when you can see it.
I think we're gonna die.
See it.
We're in the fucking ghetto.
Kyoto. This is the Walmart brand version of 7-Eleven. I'm gonna try to keep the camera on as. Actually, I'm gonna just keep it on the whole time. And then when I check out, I'll just put you in my pocket.
It's called 7 and I Holdings.
It's the corporate. Oh, look. More vegetables. When I move to Japan, will you come visit me?
No,
Why not?
it's expensive.
So you'll visit Japan with me, but you won't come visit me in Japan.
Correct.
That's kind of fucked.
Unless you pay for it.
Oh, fuck no. It's expensive. I'm going to be on a teacher's salary. Do you expect me to make a lot of money? Because we don't make very much.
You're gonna be a teacher.
Yeah, I'm going to be an English teacher.
For your students.
Me too. Hopefully none of you ever watch this.
This is huge.
Oh yeah, 7-9.
What is that over there?
What?
Guppy must be a part of Kyoto.
Good enough. Why? Are you craving banana bread or something? Wow, this has been going for 21 minutes.
You didn't have to buy the store.
Yes, I did.
That's a nice horse.
Was that there when we got here?
You. Going across right now.
Sure. Ah! Yep. Just got corners. Don't do that. Don't follow what we do. Do as you're told, not as you see. Come my pool? Jared's pool.
You get the pizza bun?
I did get the pizza bun.
I think you'll like it.
I hope I like it.
It'll warm you up.
My ears are kind of warm. Well, I got like 4 cans of alcohol, 2 things of water.
What it cost you?
$20.
That was 10.
And I got food, and I got snacks. Snacks. And then I got the pizza bun. I didn't want to come back. Tomorrow when you run out of stuff, you'd be like, oh, I should go to 7-Eleven.
No, we're gonna be out at Adventure tomorrow, and there'll be one closer.
I have to go out to 7-Eleven.
And I have a backpack and carry stuff in, like you.
Yeah, that's true. Vending machine again.
Melon soda.
For my second trip in Japan, we found this melon soda. So delicious. Literally like the best soda in the world. Not even sure if it's a soda. I'm pretty sure it's a godsend.
One way to tell you're in the ghetto. There's not as many vending machines.
Vending machines. Do we need to turn this here? No. Maybe?
No?
No.
Think we can scare him to the other side of the road?
Vending machines? No.
I think it's good.
You can scare them off the road. And again, vending machine. And like Jared said, you know you're in the ghetto when there's not as many vending machines. That guy was definitely staring at me if he didn't notice. I think so, but I couldn't tell. How do you know?
You showed me the picture of it.
Oh, that's why they make beanies. Like Lucy made me. I haven't put on yet. Here. I did wear it in the United States.
You're a beanie.
I wish. Beanies are so comfy and nice. Douche.
Point proven again.
He's a douche.
Still proving my point.
I'm at 27 minutes. I gotta find somehow to make a 30-minute video into a 15 or less. Xerox. Fuji Xerox. We got stuck at the vending machine. By the way, vending machine. He was.
We'll make friends. We need to make friends.
Not English speaking friends. And that's the end of that adventure.